What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4, and look at this thing. It's an absolute beauty. I love this wallpaper and love this device, but I have a new case from a company called Spigen. Now, I've done some Spigen cases. Took me a little while to pick this up off of Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description. This is called the Spigen Neo Hybrid S, and it comes with a built-in kickstand. So pretty nifty little case. It's an expensive boy. It's an expensive boy, and we'll take a look at the link on Amazon so you guys can see how much that is. But before we do that, and as I get the case out of the box here, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and that's right, hit that notification bell. Now, this is a pricey joint. If I remember correctly, I remember this Neo Hybrid S for the Fold 3 being around 60 bucks. So I don't know why it's $30 more. But definitely a really nice back here, on the back here. And it has that hinge kickstand, as you see. So that is pretty nifty for the back. So you can watch your content, do all kinds of stuff. Then you got your cover screen here, or cover for your cover screen. Very thick along the edges here, so that's good. Good protection. Obviously, you have your gooey stickers here to make sure your cover screen doesn't come off when you're using this on the Samsung Galaxy Fold 4. Clean this up a little bit so you guys can see the procedure. I'm gonna put the kickstand down and slide this in here like that. And let's take a look at the, oh yeah, this is a thick case, so there's some good protection here. It feels really good in the hand. You get some really good protection there on the camera lens, so you're not gonna have any problems there. You got the like I said, good protection around the whole display because of the protection, and then the protection here on the cover display is really good. These are really raised really nice, so you get excellent protection there. Your ports are really well covered, your speakers, everything type C. But the star of the show is definitely this kickstand that you can use, and you can set it to different angles because it stays where you put it. So that I do like, because there are some kickstands on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 where the cases only go one way. So, but you obviously want to open up the fold, enjoy your content this way. So this is a really nice angle that you could do, and I think you could put it up high like this or go there. So that is pretty nifty, if you ask me. And then it closes real easy, so when you're on the go, you can get everything moving, you're good to go. Now let's take a look at the link here from Amazon. We'll open it up here on the big screen. You like that, don't you? Let me turn down the brightness so that you guys can check it out with me. But this here is the link here, the Spigen Neo Hybrid S, designed for the Galaxy. So it's 89 bucks. There's $10 coupon to check out. So, you know, it's a really cool, says seamless workflow, unfold the built-in kickstand to enjoy hands-free viewing. You could also use your S Pen on there, obviously pretty good. So a lot of good features on here. All right, let's see if the wireless charging works here. Should be no problem. As you can see, boom, you're good to go. Lift it up for you one more time. There you go, wireless charging on deck. So you're gonna have no problem here. I do like this case a lot though. It's very how do you say it? It's slim, but it has great protection. So I feel like you could kind of toss this around. It's very clean looking. I do like the kickstand. It's even protected when the kickstand's out. You got some good protection there on the camera. I like this a lot. So, but yeah, that is the Samsung Neo Hybrid S. That's gonna do it, man. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm Android Stud. Thanks so much for watching.